The Panter Howitzer in the inventory of the Turkish Armed Forces will be mounted on a truck. Aselsan signed a contract for the Panter Truck Mounted Howitzer. Based on the requirements of the Turkish Ground Forces Command, the MKE Panter 155mm towed howitzer systems, manufactured by MKE, will be mobilized. To this end, the modern truck-mounted Panter Howitzer contract has been signed. The modern fire control system developed by Aselsan will be used in the system. Within the scope of modernization, the Panter Howitzer will acquire new capabilities and be mobilized by being mounted on an 8x8 tactical wheeled vehicle. Aselsan Panter Truck Mounted Howitzer will be equipped with updated howitzer servo system, electronic unit, hydraulic system and user interface. It adds digital communication, technical fire management, ballistics calculation, initial speed management capability and ADOP 2000 fire support automation system integrated to the howitzer system. The truck-mounted Panter Howitzer system will provide a significant advantage, especially in drop-and-go missions, with its short readiness time and high maneuverability compared to towed versions of the howitzer. Accordingly, the Turkish Army Command will update most of its howitzer inventory with the new generation Fırtına project and truck-mounted Panter Howitzer projects equipped with the new systems.